Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily Talking.
Hi, David. Hi, friends.
Olivia, you look excited today. What's happening?
I am. I want to buy some things online, but sometimes I don't know what words to use.
Online shopping. That's perfect. That's our topic today.
Really? Oh, that's great. Sometimes I see English words on websites and I don't understand them.
Don't worry. Today, we will learn all the important words for online shopping.
Perfect. I need this.
Online shopping is very important nowadays. It's convenient, you can find different products, and it saves time.
Yes, I can shop from home. No traffic, no waiting in line.
Exactly. But first, let's remind our viewers.
Yes. Dear friends, please subscribe to Daily Talking.
Click that subscribe button. It's free.
And like this video. It helps us so much.
Also, share it with your friends who love online shopping.
Thank you. Now, David, teach me. What should I buy?
Haha, let's start from the beginning. Okay, Olivia, what do you want to buy?
I want to buy a new book. An English book.
Good choice. So we say, I want to buy a new book online.
I want to buy a new book online. Easy.
Perfect. Now, first, we need to go to a website. We say, let's go to the website.
Let's go to the website. Which website?
You can choose Amazon, bookstore websites, many options.
Okay, I'm on the website. Now what?
Now you need to search for your book. Look for the search box.
Search box. I see it.
Good. Now we say, search for English books.
Search for English books. Oh, I see many books.
Perfect. Now, click on a book you like.
Okay, I clicked. Now I see a lot of information.
Yes, that's the product page. You should read the product description.
Product description? What's that?
It tells you about the book, what it's about, how many pages, the author.
Oh, we say, read the product description.
Exactly. And then you need to check the price. We ask, what is the price?
What is the price? Oh, it's $15.
Good price. Now, if you're buying clothes, you also need to choose size and color.
Size and color. Like small, medium, large?
Exactly. We say, choose your size or choose your color.
Choose your size. Choose your color. Got it.
Perfect. But for a book, you don't need size and color.
Haha, that's true. So, what's next?
Now comes the most important button, add to cart or add to basket.
Cart and basket are the same?
Yes, both mean your shopping basket. In British English, we say basket. In American English, we say cart.
Add to cart, add to basket. I understand.
Great! Let's practice. You found a nice blue t-shirt. What do you do?
First, I read the product description.
Good. Then?
I check the price, and I choose my size.
Perfect. And finally?
I add to cart.
Excellent. You're ready to shop.
David, I have the book in my cart. Now what?
Now you need to buy it. You need to go to checkout.
Checkout? What does that mean?
Checkout is the payment page, where you pay for your items.
Oh, so we say, go to checkout.
Exactly. Go to checkout.
Okay, I clicked checkout. Now I see a form. What should I do?
First, you need to enter your shipping address. That's where they will send your book.
Shipping address. My home address.
Yes, we say, enter your shipping address.
Enter your shipping address. What else?
You also need to enter your phone number in case there's a problem with delivery.
Good idea. So they can call me.
Exactly. Now, comes the payment. You need to choose a payment method.
Payment method. What are the options?
Usually, credit card, debit card, or PayPal.
Credit card, debit card, PayPal. I know these.
Good. We say, choose a payment method.
Choose a payment method. I will use my credit card.
Perfect. So you say, I will pay by credit card.
I will pay by credit card. Okay.
Now, very important question, Olivia. Before you pay, you should always check, is the website safe?
Is it safe? How do I know?
Look for HTTPS at the beginning of the website address and a lock icon.
HTTPS and a lock. That means it's safe.
Exactly. Always ask, is it safe before giving your card information?
Is it safe? Very important.
Yes. Now, if everything is okay, you can confirm your order.
Confirm my order. That means I finish, right?
Yes. We say, confirm your order.
Confirm my order. Done.
Perfect. Now you can say, my order is placed.
My order is placed. I'm so happy.
Great. Let's practice the whole process. Ready?
Ready.
You want to buy shoes online. What's the first step?
Go to the website and search for shoes.
Good. You found nice shoes. What do you check?
I read the product description and check the price. And I choose my size.
Perfect. Then?
I add to cart and go to checkout.
Excellent. At checkout,
I enter my shipping address and choose a payment method.
don't forget to check.
Is it safe? Yes. Then I confirm my order.
Perfect. You're an online shopping expert now.
David, I placed my order, but now I'm worried. Where is my book?
Don't worry. You can track your package. We ask, where is my package? Or, where is my order?
Where is my package? How do I find it?
You need a tracking number. Every order has a tracking number.
Tracking number. Where do I find it?
Usually in your email. The company sends you an email with the tracking number.
Oh, so I ask, what is the tracking number?
Exactly. Then you can check the status of your order.
Status. What does it say?
First, it usually says shipped. That means the package left the warehouse.
It says shipped. Good. What's next?
Then it might say out for delivery. That means it's on the way to your house.
It says out for delivery. Oh, I'm so excited.
And finally, the best message, the package arrived.
The package arrived. Yay! I have my book.
Perfect. But Olivia, sometimes we're not happy with our purchase.
Oh no! What if I don't like the book?
Then you can return it. We say, I want to return it.
I want to return it. Can I always return things?
Most websites have a return policy, usually 14 or 30 days.
Good to know. I hope I don't need to return my book.
I hope so too. Now, let's review what we learned.
Yes, so many useful words.
Number 1 is search. Look for products.
Number 2 is add to cart. Put items in your basket.
Number 3 is checkout, the payment page.
Number 4 is credit card, a payment method.
And number 5 is tracking number, to find your package.
Perfect summary.
Everyone, don't be afraid to shop online in English. These phrases are very useful.
Yes. And remember, always check if the website is safe.
Very important. Now, we have a question for you. In English, what did you buy online last time?
Write your answer in the comments. In English.
For example, I bought a new phone, or I bought some books.
We want to read what you bought.
And please, subscribe to Daily Talking.
Click that subscribe button.
And like this video.
Thank you for shopping online with us today.
Ha ha ha. Thank you for shopping online.
See you in the next episode of Daily Talking.
Goodbye, everyone. Happy shopping.
Bye-bye.